Hi everyone, today I'm unboxing the Airpods Pro 2 2022, which came out today, actually on the 23rd of September. Really excited to have these. Most of the improvements seem kind of minor, but I'm sure that's gonna add up for something quite nice. I'm gonna be coming out with the review very soon, so definitely subscribe for that. I have the original Airpods Pro and these, so it's gonna be a nice comparison of what changed, what didn't. So far the case looks very identical, and the unboxing experience didn't change much. We get some leaflets, some pairing guides, which might be useful for people who are not super familiar with it, but it's nothing too interesting for me. Then we get the new Airpods case, but first let's look underneath. If you get these, don't forget to check underneath for the ear tips and the cable. They still come with the USB-C to Lightning cable, like usual. No USB-C on the Airpods case. New this year, you also get the XS tips for the AirPods. So there is like a smaller version now. Before you only had small, medium, large. Now you get one more, which is nice for some people. It's good to have more of them. The AirPods case changed this year, so we have some Find My functionality. We have this loop for the lanyard, and we get speakers, so it's easier to find with Find My. So it's again play some sound. I was actually surprised it plays quite a lot of sounds when you. I think it plays a sound if you put the wrong AirPods in. Maybe on pairing, on charging. It's quite nice. It's more you are sure that you're charging, for example, and stuff like that. This is on the right, that's the Airpods Pro 1, and on the left is the Airpods Pro 2 case. They look basically identical. There are some slight changes. I have a feeling the new case is slightly smaller, but I don't think it's true. It just feels that way. Yeah, the Airpods Pro 2 themselves, I think the body is basically the same. On paper, they're slightly lighter, and the new skin sensor for sensing if they're actually in your ear, so that they won't activate, for example, on the table or in your pocket, got moved. So they look slightly different, but you wouldn't be able to notice that if you're not looking for it or you're not aware of the differences. Something new this year, which is actually quite cool, is before you could only charge them with the cable or the MagSafe charger, but now you can also use your Apple Watch charger, which is quite cool because I feel like quite a lot of people have these and they're always plugged in anyways. So it's quite good. Makes this little sound when you plug it in. I wonder what the charging speeds are gonna be like, but I think it should be okay. And at the end, I'm gonna just show you how to remove and change the ear tips. So basically you need to press on the sides and pull quite hard. Make sure to press, and then you just snap on the new one. It's gonna make a bunch of clicking noises. So make sure to click it in properly so it doesn't come loose. Yeah, so that's about it. I'm gonna be coming out with the review soon. Excited to use these. Hopefully you found the unboxing useful. If you do, just leave a like, subscribe, all that. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.